Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today is SketchBox Day. SketchBox is a monthly premium art subscription box. Look at this gorgeous artwork and let's see what's inside. Okay, first up I see a pad of paper. Which is actually one thing I really like about SketchBox is most of the time, not always, but 9 times out of 10 they will send some kind of paper with it, and it's just the right size to fit in my journal, just the right size to fit in these boxes mainly. So I kind of like that because it just gives you a little bit of play. So this time is no different. This is a paint on white mixed media. Sorry about that phone. Let me just put that sucker on mute. Okay. So it looks like it is 4x6, custom size by SketchBox, ultra heavyweight, bright. Definitely mixed media paper. It's pretty thick. It's smooth, but not too smooth that you can't get anything to stick. So that's pretty cool. Their paper, as always. Next we have the artwork. It's a sketchbox. The artist is Rain Fredrickson. The sketchbox has what's inside, so we're going to put that aside before I see any of that. Oh, there's a whole box of supplies. This is a sticker. Oh, that's a cute one. Sketchbox. It's got a marker in it. See if I can get something other than that box, whatever that is. You should be able to see inside. So this is a Zig brush pen white ultra fine. It's a Kuretake. So that looks pretty cool. It is white, so I'm not going to be able to do that on white paper, but ooh. So it says, when the amount of ink in the brush is low, twist the bottom of the pen a few times until you can hear a click. Practice on a separate piece of paper in order to control the flow of ink. So let's do this. Has a little bit of paint on it, but let's see. Okay. I can see the ink coming in. Not sure. There we go. There we go. Now I see the ink coming in. So there you have it. It does say to make sure that you use the ink in the brush or wipe it clean before you stop using it for the day so it doesn't dry up. All those clicks did not bring me very much, but I'm sure there was just manufacturing bubbles or whatever in it that I was getting rid of. So that's kind of cool. It's little. It's just this little guy, but very cute. And something I've never used before, which is one of the main reasons I love SketchBox, is they tend to find the abnormals and send them to you. Next we have, ooh, this is just an ink brush, but it's a really cool shape. It's a Sennelier Vert Intense. And the way you do these is you just take off this little thing right here, recycle that, and then you click this on. And then this color, I can use the mixed media paper because it's not white. You just give it a little squeeze. You'll see the paint come out and drip all over the place because you squeeze too hard. There you go. Oh, it's pretty blue. Thought it was green. So there you have it. I guess because of the color of the label, I thought it was green. And then, does this say the same thing? Nope, it's watercolor, so that's not going to damage the brush. There you have it. Next we have a Mervy La Plume 2. This one I do have. This is 90 suede. And you've got a semi-brush tip. It kind of feels like more like a bullet tip. But it's longer, and then you've got a little nib fine liner on the other side. Le Plume. Le Plume 90. And I'll still do a swatch in my book. Anything else? So now we have this box. Let's see what's in the box. So we've got Monami twin color brush. So that explains the sticker this month. See the little indent there with the color. That is their design. This has a very pretty C type color scheme. And there you have it. I'm not going to bore you with the swatch. I will swatch on this one, but I'll also swatch in my swatch book. What's your favorite thing in this box? Mine is definitely the Zig brush pen. These markers are pretty good too. They are double-sided as well. You've got the brush tip, small brush tip, and this one actually feels like a brush tip on one end, and then a big one on the other end. And they feel like rubber versus, yeah, they are rubber versus hairs. I don't know if they're actual hairs, but they're pretty. It is ocean blue color scheme. Rubber nib, medium and fine, mixing and blending, watercolor effect in calligraphy and illustration. So I'm guessing it's water. Didn't get a paintbrush. Usually get a paintbrush with the ones that are water themed. But I can definitely try that when I swatch all of them. Reading the card for you, you've got the twin brush set of 6 dual tip markers, great hand lettering and fine details. Rubber nibs are great for solid marks and very line weights. These retail, these 6 retail for, according to SketchBox, these 6 retail for $27.50, according to SketchBox. I don't know. I'm not saying it's not true. I'm just saying that's what it says. $27.50 for 6 markers. This Sennelier ink brush retails for $7.95, which they do send really good products. It's totally possible. This Zig Ultra Fine Line, it doesn't say Zig on it. It says Mervy La Plume. Oh, sorry. Got ahead of myself. This La Plume brush marker is $2.59, so that seems right. This Zig, there you go, Ultra Fine brush in white retails for $14. So this is a twist activated brush pen, great for highlights and embellishments. Try layering it over the markers in this month's box for 3D effect. I like that. Like I said, they do send premium supplies. And then the paper pad retails for $9.99, but of course they had that one specially made. Has some classes for you at getsketchbox.com/school. It's just a video, but shows you how to use them. And then it says, tag your post with hashtag SketchboxJune for a chance to be featured. For the chance to be featured our boxes. So to be featured on our boxes, just a typo. But there is that. And then like I said, this is the artist, Rain Fredrickson. So let me know what you think in the comment box below. And as always, thanks for watching.